One day you'll see.
Yo,
One day
it's the left.
you'll see. One day
The gas, the mask.
one day you'll see.
Hey yo, high resolution. My eyes keep a tight watch, sorta like a white shock on the wrist of a bike jock. Climb the high rocks for high spots, why not? And cattle drive livestock till their life stops. Niggas side talk, doubting that the wise walk. Straight lines through the forks in the sidewalk. Get your gas mask, light a match, burn candle wax. React fast, keep your hands back. Fuck a Rolex black, the streets is your most valuable timepiece. It's over when your second hand is slow to reach your crime piece. Yes, men are 75% of these job niggas alive. 25 keep it grimy. Try me, raw static built beats and chops by the boatload. The left is like the Antiques Roadshow. Preserve heat like the tombs in Greece. We break feast in the belly of the beast, you'll see.
Now what I'm supposed to do behind this, man? Apollo just shitted on this beat, yo.
One day
I mean, like, real talk. My producer, man.
one day
Like, for real.
you'll see.
Check it out.
One day
Yo.
you'll see.
Just imagine a burst of flames that surround you in every richer direction that you start to gaze. Then your flesh burns off and replenishes, burning all over again cause you are sinister. It ain't like doing the 10 to 5. Then you go before you parole board and get a lesser time. This a punishment beyond time. So I suggest that all of you wise up while it's still time. Every man got a purpose and it's all the same, because the message the prophets taught was all the same. Ain't no need for a guessing game, because the guidance is right before your eyes if you wanna change. We all fell for the games of the politics, worshiping multiple gods, losing our consciousness. We in the final countdown until that day approaches. Just know it's only one God for you to put your focus.
One day
Now honestly, did y'all think y'all was gonna hear this album
you'll see.
and I wasn't gonna get at y'all?
One day
You think the beer and the cookies for nothing? Come on, man, get out of here.
you'll see.
That's why we the left.
One day
You heard?
you'll see. One day you'll see.
I hear a very gentle sound. With your ear down to the ground. We want the world and we want it. We want the world.